Mr. Chair. May susumbong lang po, maraming nagte-text na sinusubaybayan ang ating hearing ngayon at ang nireklamo ay hindi lumalabas sa website, pinagbawalan daw. At yung iba naman sa ibang plataforma ng media, pinapatay ang coverage, putol-putol at choppy. Kung pwede lang po, hayaan natin na marinig ng sambayanan ang testimonya ng ating mga Marines.
Salamat po sa inyong ulat, Madam Senator. Talaga pong gagawin nila ang lahat ng kanilang magagawa.
Mr. Chair, I received information, it's not verified, that the Attorney Bantug, who is not the secretary, ay pinag-utos nga daw to, pati yung, just the website or pay Wi-Fi? Do we have Wi-Fi now in the... What about Wi-Fi here? Okay naman. Yeah, so, again, no, kung sino in charge nung website, put it on. If not, kasama din po kayo sa nag-i-interrupt, nag-disturb nung proceeding, because in the digital age, pag ang coverage ng hearing, you interfere with that, you know, that is part of stopping the public from knowing what is happening here. No? So, again, ayoko kayong maipit, pero hindi man siguro kayo maiipit by putting on live kung ano nangyayari ito. That's a matter of record.